Welcome as we resume our tutorial. So what we have now is question 2C is actually part of the assignment, and as things are, there are some of you who have not submitted the assignment. I am tempted not to solve it, but anyhow, we cannot wait for the others who are slow, so we'll just solve it, and then probably we'll mark those people out of 50. The highest they can get if they submit is 50%. Yeah, because they are late and we cannot condone late. So let's just solve this. The force F of magnitude 230 newtons acts at the origin of the coordinate system. Knowing that alpha is equal to 32.5 degrees, Fy is equal to negative 60 newton, and Fz is greater than 0. Determine the components Fx and Fz, and then we are told the angles beta and gamma. So here we need to see what we have been given. So since we have the magnitude of the force, let me just do the data correction. The magnitude of F we have been given to be 230, and then we've been given alpha to be 32.5 degrees, and we've been given Fy to be equal to minus 60 newton. And then we are told Fz is greater than 0. Okay, this is quite enough information. Already I see how to find Fx. So I have the magnitude, I have the angle. So for Fx it's easy. Fx is equal to F cos alpha, which is equal to 230 times cos 32.5 degrees, and this will be something like 193.98 newtons. Alright, now we have to find Fz. Now we have Fy, we have Fx, and we also have the magnitude of sort of F. So why can't we use the identity? Yes, we can. So we are saying F squared is equal to Fx squared plus Fy squared plus Fz squared, and Fz, it's the one we don't know. Okay, so having everything done, then my Fz will be equal to the square root of, now I replace the values, F2 I'm saying 230 squared minus this is 193.98 squared minus this is minus 60 squared, isn't it? Right? Computing my Fz, 108.03. No. Here. So this is be 0.04. Okay. So at least we have solved for the first part. We have fx, we have this one, answer. Fz, we have this one. This is our answer. Okay. Now finding the angles beta and gamma, I see no problem. Actually, it is almost boring, isn't it? Anyhow, we will use 0. So we are saying now beta beta is equal to cos inverse of our Fy is negative 60 over the F magnitude, which is 208, and this gives our beta to be, this is cos inverse of okay, beta to be 105.12 degrees, and then our gamma, this will be equal to cos inverse of what we found there was, let's just 108.04. So we have, sorry about this, 108.04. Oh no, this thing will not go away, isn't it? Okay. Come on. Okay. 108.04 over 230, and this comes to let me just find 0.46972. Okay, this looks like it comes to 61.99, 62 degrees, something like that. Alright, so what do we have here? We have we have done B here, which is the angles beta and gamma. We have found them, and so these are our answers. Okay, there you go. See you in question 3.